guys, we have arrived. Animal Kingdom Day. We're super excited. The very first thing we're gonna do is try to get on Flight of Passage, and um, yeah, it says like an hour and a half wait. But yeah, we ended up waiting like almost 3 hours for that ride. It was ridiculous. But once you're invested, you're trying to kind of stuck in the line. So we did do it and we loved the ride, but I would never do it again unless I had a fast pass. So this is our entering into the Animal Kingdom. It was our first time having an annual pass, so we didn't pay for parking. When we first entered, we saw a photographer and we took this family photo. They had us playing around, so I really loved that. So here we are. This is in the queue of Flight of Passage. And because we had 3 hours in this line, we basically had tons of time to take pictures and talk and play games. And yeah, we just try to make the best of it. This is the part where you are in the inside of the queue and the Avatar man is in that machine. When we got out, of course, we needed some drinks, and so we got that. And then we had a fast pass for the Navi River journey. Doing this ride even a second time. Like, it was just not that great. My favorite ride in this park is Frozen. I love when it goes backwards. So, I don't know. I mean, this ride is beautiful. I try to get tons of footage in there. I love those bright colors that are inside. So for your first time, I would say like you will be looking at it like, oh, pretty, but I felt like the ride needed more. It wasn't enough for me, like to wait in a line. Like now I don't even know if it's worth it going into like a 10 or 20-minute line. It was just like, okay. That's just my opinion. It was super short. It seemed, I don't know. I guess a lot of the rides are super short, but I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. That's the ceiling area. That looks scary up there, don't it? I'm a big scary person.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
I thought this part was really cool. I like the animatronics here and the song, and this part was beautiful. So I do give them that. I did like this part of the ride.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head.
So I really wanted to get this We Are Here mug, but I didn't get that one. I ended up getting a coffee mug. If you want to see that, don't forget to check out my haul video. And then I just wanted to show you other footage around the park. This was going into Dino Land. We did get on the dinosaur ride, and I actually liked that ride. I think it was only our second time doing it since we've been to Disney, because that one breaks down a lot as well. So these are some characters that we don't see that often around. We did end up seeing the bird as well, and they had some new signage out, and so I took some of the signage pictures too. It says the Lion King, I think it says on there. And so that is it, guys. That is the end of our Animal Kingdom Day. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.